The loss of power of a signal suffers as it travels from transmitting computer, so from the transmitting computer to the receiving computer. So what is the respective cost for that? We are having one option, that is the echo, next one is the jitter, next one is the spiking, and the last one is the attenuation. So here the option will be our attenuation. Why attenuation? Because attenuation is actually referring to the loss of signal strength during the transmission. This attenuation may take place due to some ohmic drop or ohmic loss, because you know that each and every conductor is having some ohm, some resistance. So due to that factor, the attenuation may take place and the signal strength will get decreased when it goes on traversing distance from source node to the receiving or target node. So we will be going for the option number D, that is our attenuation.